Good morning, boys and girls. We will be starting our ELA lesson for this week. Our learning objective is I can practice my spelling and high frequency words for the week. This week, we are going to focus on the long I sound, like in the word light. Where do you hear the I sound in the word light? In the beginning, the middle, or the end? Listen carefully. Light. Right, it's in the middle of the word. The word light has the long I sound in the middle, and it's spelled I-G-H. I-G-H makes the sound I, which is the long sound for the letter I. Here we see a list of more words that have the long I. Look at this word right here. This is a picture of a pie. Pie has the long I sound, and the spelling would be I-E. Night has also the long I sound, and I see it spelled with I-G-H. Night. Then we see a picture of a fly. Fly has the long I sound at the end of the word. I, fly. Fly has the long I, and it's spelled with Y. We also have the word child. Child has I by itself, and in this case, it makes the long I sound. Child. Let's continue to learn more about the long I. Help me read this word. I see that the beginning sound is f. Then it has the letter L, which makes the O. So, full. Then I see it has I-E. And we learned that I-E says I. So, let's blend it. Full, I, s. What's the word? Flies. Flies. Let's blend this word. I notice the S in the beginning of the word, and I know that the letter S makes the S sound. Then I see I-G-H. I-G-H makes the I sound. So let's blend the word. I. Sigh. What's the word? Sigh. Nice job. Now we're going to try to spell a word by listening to the sounds. The word that I want to spell is sky. What's the first sound you hear in the word sky? What letter is that? S. So let's continue. What's the next sound? K. Very good. I. How do we write the I sound at the end of a word? I. That's right, with a Y. What's the word? Sky. Nice job. Let's try to write the word tie. What's the first letter? I hear the T for tie. I hear I at the end, but now we're going to spell it with I-E. Tie. Very good, boys and girls. Now we're going to read the spelling words for this week that focus in the long I sound. Ready? Sky, tie, find, high, why, bright, pies, child. Now we are going to read the high frequency words for this week. These words not necessarily have the long I sound in them, but these are words that we need to know how to read in a snap, right? These are words that we can find in our books and in our writing, and we need to know them in a snap. Are you ready? Here we go. Again. Country. Round. They. Open. Has. Thank. Okay. Now I need you to pause the video and go ahead and copy down our spelling words. Once you're done copying the words, you can go ahead and press play again. I'm also writing or typing the spelling words and the high frequency words below this video so that you can have them there when you need them. Okay, so once you're ready, make sure you press play again so that you could move on. Okay. Here is your word work. These are activities that you will be using throughout the week with your spelling words. You could choose any of them, but you have to make sure you choose one per day. So for example, you could choose rainbow words, where you will write each word in 3 different colors. Like in the example, the word can was written in red, orange, and green. Or you could choose to do sentences, which is you write a sentence for each word and you underline the word. For example, the big dog can bite on the bone, and the word can is underlined. You could also choose to do the sailboat words. Here you write words in the shape of a sailboat. For example, for the word bake, in the first row you would write the letter B. On the second row you would write B-A. On the third row, B-A-K. And on the last row, B-A-K-E, bake. And this makes the shape of a sailboat. You could also choose to do picture it. Here you will choose 6 of your words. You would draw a picture to illustrate them. And you will write the word underneath each word. You may also want to do ABC order. Here you would write your words in alphabetical order. And you could also choose to do color code. In this case, you would write your word, trace the vowel in blue, and trace the consonant in red. So remember, you don't have to do all of them. You could choose different ones for each day. So for example, on Monday, I might want to do a sentence for each word. On Tuesday, I would choose picture it. On Wednesday, rainbow words. On Thursday, ABC order. And then on Friday, I would do sailboats, right? So you could change it. Okay. Right, boys and girls? I will also have this posted in Class Dojo if you need it to select your activity for the day. Have a nice day.